Well, today is a great day. I'm excited to be alive, still quarantined, but I'm trying to make the best of it. I don't know about you, but here we are. So I wanted to share today on this amazing day that I'm alive and breathing. I just put a little the Portuguese olive oil that I talked about last time, which is so great. I am doing a basil fried rice. So my rice is already done. I love, one day I'm gonna do something on just making really good rice, seasoned, fluffy, nice. But today the rice is already done. My vegetables are already done. This is like my leftover veggies from the other night. Here's my fresh basil. And then good old Chef Patricia found this for me. This is plant-based chicken Thai basil. So it's already flavored. It does taste like chicken. It's so good. So I'm gonna just put my heat on. Sometimes my stove be acting a little cray-cray. So I'm gonna put that on. I'm going a little quick because I'm trying to catch online service. So you see, I'm not joking. I got like dressed. I didn't put any makeup on. My other earring keeps falling off, so we'll just do this, side view. So I put the oil in the pan. I'm gonna let it get a little hot. Gonna rinse off my basil. Just throw it up in the pan, just whole, gives it a nice seasoning. I like to leave the stems, because I can always pull them out at the end, but they also give a nice flavor. One of my friends said to me, she was like, I don't know, this year, you're going vegan, plant-based, and you're not shopping. Those are like the two vices, like that women, maybe even men, but I'm just speaking from a female perspective. Those are the two vices that we use, like some of us, when we're trying to relax or we're stressed out, sometimes we can overeat or overspend. But I don't know, it was just something that was really on my heart this year, and I guess that was something I needed to get under control. So that's where I am. This is starting to cook up, but I just wanted to take a moment while I'm whipping this up to thank a number of people for keeping hope alive on the gram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook. Of course, my husband and I, we just do this like 7 o'clock thing, kind of a show about nothing, but I just want to thank everyone who keeps, messaging us and letting us know that in this time, in this climate that we find ourselves in, it's just nice to have a little kind of getaway for like 20-30 minutes of talking about nothing but everything. But I want to, Pastor Brian Bullock, keeping legacy alive, Pastor Caitlin, her women's movement, my goddaughter Angel, her beauty on Instagram, and her husband Manny on the finances. And I'll put all their links below. Monica Cost Monica's on LinkedIn, Jessie on Facebook and LinkedIn, Jessie St. Cyr on legal issues and human resources. Nicole Robert Jones on LinkedIn, Tito on Facebook and LinkedIn, Tito Jackson. Oh my God, Representative Liz Miranda. I could go on and on, but there are so many people. Stylist Jay Bowling, keeping fashion alive. There are people that are really keeping hope alive, and I just wanted to, pay some homage to them. But anyway, I'm cooking this Palm Sunday. I like to just cook early because I'm in the house with all men, and I am not cooking all day. But listen, tomorrow I am gonna do a little cooking thing on these sweet potato pancakes mixed with banana and some oats. My God, you're not ready for that. Let me get this chicken in. Trying to catch online service. So it feels just like chicken, all nice and flavored. I always add a little pink sea salt and garlic just to give it my own flavor. Break it up. It's just, this meal is so easy, and it's a great like leftover. So when I make rice, I usually do a huge pot because I know I can use it for a couple of different things. Okay, Google, time check. 7:20. Ooh. I'm gonna have to hurry up because I gotta get online. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. Only because I have to put the rice in, give it some good flavor. This is a vegan protein broth. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit for flavoring. Here comes the fun part. Put some rice in. I'm gonna add way more rice too. I'm gonna add all my veggies from the other night that I cooked because I knew I was gonna do this. So I think I said this the other day, whenever I'm cooking, I try to pre-plan like the next couple of meals that I'll make. I'm telling you, I don't even like to have basil fried rice from anywhere else except myself. It's that good. So now I'm just taking previously cooked rice. And this rice is so good. It's full of garlic and just cilantro. And this is all I do. It's so easy, I'm telling you. People make going plant-based or going vegan seem so hard. It really isn't. And if you, there's so many choices, and if you shop the perimeter and you do some pre-planning, there's also so many people on Instagram and Facebook that have so many good recipes. But this is just me. I'm just showing you, you know, what I do and how easy it is for me. But these vegetables, broccoli, zucchini, carrots, garlic, onion. I have the heat a little on low. Swizzling sweet chai, chili Thai. The seasoning is so good. Ocean State Job Lot. My garlic powder. Then I love this liquid aminos to give it that little soy taste. Just a tiny bit. I'll come down after church and I'll add a little bit more rice. I might actually just add it now so it can like steam in here. Break up the Thai chicken. Have my coffee on and my little percolator. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It's so good. So it's been a pleasure cooking with you. So many people asked about like recipes that I'm using, and so I just want to share that with you at least once or twice a week. I can't like commit to doing this every single day, but this is what I do. I like to cook in the morning, get it out of the way. And this is it. Wasn't that easy? I'm telling you, this is like the best thing that I've ever done for myself. So I'll let it steam. Voila. It's all done. Wasn't that good? Well, I look forward to seeing you. If you want to catch, more episodes or see what I've done in the past, you can go on my YouTube channel, Queen Bee Mona, or on my website, queenbeemona.com. But on my YouTube, you'll catch my Life 101 classes, you'll catch some sermons, workshops, and then remember I did this outfit. This is what I have on for today. I'm gonna put my white jacket over it, and I'm gonna have a great Palm Sunday. I don't know about you, I'm gonna wave some palms. Even though I don't have some, I'm gonna take some white paper, cut it into strips, do some green on it, and I'm waving a palm today because I'm keeping hope alive. This will be over soon, and we'll be together soon, and that's what I believe. So